Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I'm on a deck that's over 30 years old, and we've been taking care of it for over 20 years. And we've been taking care of it with our Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain Seneca Brown. Now, the neat thing about this deck is it's an older deck, but the color, the grain still shows through, and our Seneca Brown has been taking care of and protecting it, and that's why it's lasted this long. Wood typically lasts anything over 20 years. You're in the bonus plan, we tell customers. So this is over 30 years being treated with Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain, and again, our Seneca Brown tone. And if you look down, you still see the grain through. Even though the wood is old, it still looks rich, it looks beautiful, but it really, really looks nice all the way around. So that's what our wood stain will do. It'll protect the wood, and this is proof in the pudding. This is exactly what it is. This is, you see an actual job that we've worked on, and we've been using our Deck and Wood Stain. Seneca Brown is one of the more popular colors, but we have 11 different tones and colors, and you can check us out at www.deckrestorationplus.com. Visit our store, purchase the products, check out the different tones. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and thank you for watching the video.